You're watching Mirror 7 News. Stay informed, stay ahead for more news.
Queensland has just made a landmark move in child protection by passing Daniel's Law, a new piece of legislation that will establish a public child sex offender register. This law is named in honor of Daniel Morecambe, a Sunshine Coast teenager who was abducted and murdered in 2003 by a convicted pedophile. After more than 15 years of tireless campaigning by Daniel's parents, Bruce and Denise Morecambe, their mission to improve child safety has finally been realized. Under Daniel's Law, a new online register will be created, giving Queenslanders controlled access to important information about reportable sex offenders. The system will operate in 3 tiers. The first tier will list offenders who have breached their reporting obligations or are actively avoiding police, with their photos and personal details displayed on a government website. The second tier will allow residents to apply to view photos of offenders living in their suburb or local area. And the third tier will enable parents or guardians to apply to police to check if someone having unsupervised contact with their child is a registered offender. Premier David Crisafulli called it a monumental day for Queensland families, saying the new law will finally give parents the ability to know if dangerous offenders are living nearby. He added that while no system is flawless, this one is a strong step forward in helping protect children who can't protect themselves. Daniel's mother, Denise Morecambe, said that while they can't undo the tragedy of losing their son, this law will ensure other children are safer in the future. Her husband, Bruce Morecambe, added that they hope Daniel's Law will soon go national, encouraging other states to follow Queensland's lead. To prevent any misuse of the system, the legislation introduces 3 new offences, with penalties of up to 10 years in prison for those who use the register's information to target or harass offenders. Police Minister Dan Purdy made it clear that vigilantism will not be tolerated, emphasizing that the register is about empowering the community responsibly, not encouraging revenge. However, the law hasn't come without debate. Some groups, including the Queensland Council for Civil Liberties and Legal Aid Queensland, warned that the law might create a false sense of security, arguing that most offenders are known to their victims and may not appear on the list. Others pointed to research showing limited evidence that public registers reduce reoffending. Despite these concerns, Daniel's Law marks a powerful moment for Queensland. It represents not only the culmination of the Morecambe's long fight for justice, but also a renewed national conversation about child safety, transparency, and the balance between protection and privacy. The public register is expected to be available by the end of 2025, backed by $10 million in government funding to ensure it's rolled out effectively. Stay subscribed for more videos.